can't believe we're doing this.
Hey vlog. So
basically it's Sunday night and
Brendan and Kylie are watching the Warriors game. We're tired of watching sports and we're gonna go through Kiara's.
They're really loud.
Yeah, and they like scream a lot and it's so
come on!
So we're gonna clean Kiara's closet.
You guys know I'm a really clean, organized person, but I think I have too many clothes. Let's just show them.
Be warned.
My hair's wet.
You would never expect.
I'm not wearing makeup and my hair is wet and this
We
is
both
what
just
you're gonna
we
get.
both just showered after being outside all
In the
day.
sun.
And
kind of red.
we're kind of gross, but it's okay.
Okay, so this is what happened.
This is the disaster that is Kiara's closet right now. I can't even explain to you. This gives me hives. Your shoes don't fit. These pants are just like, look at the other side, guys. This is
Don't
just
judge,
like,
don't judge.
These are all of her brand new clothes that she doesn't even have room. Oh my God, literally something just fell on me.
This is a judgment-free zone. We are gonna fix this problem. Also, the other issue is that this dresser is so full, like that's like how far I can open it.
Her issue is that she just keeps everything that she's had since she was like a sophomore in high school. So we have like 5 years of clothing in a closet and a dresser.
We need to do this.
Redo Kiara's closet with Kiara and Katie. How do you want to start this? I think we need to start by putting all of your shoes in the hallway.
No, I think honestly we need to start by just like going through item by item and being like, okay, either I'm taking it home or I'm Goodwilling it.
I think we need to put the shoes out.
We can put the shoes like in that corner.
Why not in the hallway?
Because I don't want to make a mess of the apartment.
No one's gonna see it except Brendan.
And Kylie.
Okay, remember when Kiara said that she was gonna introduce her new roommate?
Oh.
It's Brendan!
Right.
Because his lease ended at the end of May, but we have school until June 15th, and so he's sleeping on her couch, which is hilarious.
And it's fun because that means Katie's also low-key my roommate.
Yeah.
She has finally had to sleep over here the past 2 nights.
We gotta move the shoes. What are those?
These are Hila's.
What? When did you get the... Kiara, what?
Elle makes fun of me.
The timer's going off.
Oh, the bruschetta.
I make fun of you for those. We made bruschetta.
Like smoking. It smells good.
Oh, did we burn it?
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Oh my
It's
God.
actually not. Okay, wait. Let's put this on. We don't want to.
Wait, that's okay.
That's actually fine. It's gonna be crunchy. Like 3 minutes.
When the whole squad comes out because you burned the bruschetta. Brendan, you were officially introduced as Kiara's new roommate.
You're my roommate. What do you have to say? What is it like living with me?
Absolutely love it.
Are you wearing pants? It's not that bad.
Go to the other side.
Oh! I don't know what we're getting ourselves into, but
I'm low-key nervous.
we need to just make piles, basically.
Do Goodwill here.
And then I can make a bag of stuff to take home to my other house. My other house.
To my other house?
Like, this can be stuff to go home to Portland.
That's it? That's all you're gonna take home to Portland? What if we do heels on top? Because you don't wear those unless there's formals or things, and then we put the everyday shoes down here.
This could be good.
This is phase 1.
All right, it's time to tackle the clothes. Oh boy.
There's 3 shirts on this
Because I need more hangers. Like, keep it or release it?
Put a maybe. Let's make a maybe is the bet.
Okay.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
That could probably go.
No, yeah.
Unless I want to take it home and have it for like work purposes, because it's free people.
No. You have way cuter clothes.
But for work, like
What work?
one day when I get a job.
It's already out of style.
This is good. It's an Aritzia.
Yeah.
That's a good like work one.
Work, Kiara.
Well, I'm just
What's
thinking
this-
about the
what-
future. You're going into healthcare. I know, but like interviews.
Yeah,
I
you're
was
scrub.
like a little red tank.
Okay, but
every day.
Kiara, okay, now pick one.
This needs to go. This was a little bit of one of those urban sale moments that went wrong. That one's cute. It's so fun! The Powerpuff Girls.
I hate that shirt.
There is like a stain on it though.
Have you ever worn that?
I wore it once.
You need like a costume box.
That's a good idea. I do have a costume box.
That should go in that.
Like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues.
I'm not even asking you.
Dee would get rid of that one.
Can you make it
I,
kind of
yeah, I don't need to hang that stuff.
Why do you have this?
Oh, this was a thrifted find.
So costume.
That can go. That was grad night too many years ago. This looks really good on.
I love this.
I just got this. This is for like when you want to just be different.
This is awesome.
I was gonna go that. Same. I thought that I was gonna get
so
roasted.
No, I think that's really
No,
cool.
this is fun, right?
Yeah.
Be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna be down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True now. Cry and get old. Hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah.
Do you still want this?
No,
This is so
I
overworn.
can't. It's because I worked there and I was the first one to own this shirt. And then everyone also did. So now, I did wear it for an event, so it can go now. No, I love this shirt.
You know how many pictures you have in that shirt? Anytime you wear that shirt, you can't post it. That's striped.
I know, but I don't have a
This is striped.
sleeve.
This is striped. This is striped.
Dude, this one-
This is striped. If you love it, you keep it.
It's really old. It can go. Bye, Keisha.
Kind of look like a minion.
I do agree with you.
I can't decide.
I really can't. It could be at home.
This is so soft.
Oh my god. This is how far we've gotten so far. Oh, she's digging up the past. This is my room right now, by the way.
Kiara, this. Okay, our next battle is this drawer. What? How did you let this happen?
I don't know.
I feel like you just don't even understand what the, like, why do you have tank tops and jeans together?
Like I said, this has been on my mind for a while. This is the drawer that gives me the most anxiety. It's just a lot.
Well, look at how much better it is already.
I just want to preface this one more time so people don't think I'm crazy, but I promise you, this was a lack of storage issue. I actually am very clean and
Also, we need to say that
I do hold on to my clothes for a long period of time.
yes, that is the bigger issue here. It is not that she has a lot of clothes, but it's not because she buys a lot of clothes.
No, it's
because
not.
She doesn't know how to get rid
It's
of
true. I keep stuff from 7th grade. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh.
Alright,
True. Sister.
Too much of emotion. Sona's on the line.
What happened?
Look at how dirty. I don't know if you can even tell. This shirt's disgusting.
It was Country Music Festival.
You have so much striped stuff, Kiara.
That's fun for game days.
That's
That's a good point.
how does the door keep opening?
Well, it's gonna be hot in here. I'm just telling you, it's 2 different temperatures from the outside to the inside.
I love this.
Oh, that's a good one. That can go.
Yeah.
Go.
Kiara, give me the shirt.
Should I take this home, maybe? No.
No, it's so out of style.
I don't think I'll wear this anymore.
Okay.
I really don't. This is so funny because this is what I do to my friends' closets. Why my closet doesn't look like this, I don't know. This became such a project that I just couldn't handle it. I think it's just hard because it's, well, what if I'm gonna wear it? You know what I mean?
And I get that too because I get the exact same way, but then I look at something that's been in my closet for forever and I haven't worn it and I'm like, if I ever need this, I can just buy it. Like, I don't need to look at it every day.
Said that I needed you. Like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sona's on broken. Too much of emotions. Sona's on the line. Don't wanna pick a fight.
Okay, Katie has moved on to the other half of my closet. We are getting rid of more stuff.
Yeah.
Elle found a shirt. This was the worst side. We're tackling it. It's happening. Wait till you guys see the other half of this closet. It's insane. It looks so good. We haven't even had dinner yet. We are on a roll.
Oh yeah, those can be costume pants. Boom! Do you remember these? This can go.
I think we may have bit off more than we can do.
That's because now it's late and we haven't had food. Pro tip,
Yeah, we
eat
just need
food.
to eat. But the closet's done, which is
Yeah,
like kind of
crazy.
Actually, honestly, we're
Honestly,
like
we're
almost
really
done.
good.
We just need to clean up the mess that was made. That's how many extra hangers she had. This is all being donated. This is all going home because it's like sentimental stuff or
Like
winter, like Christmassy type things. I just really want to show you behind these doors. Julie's just been moral support. No, we're not revealing yet.
Okay, so we all ate dinner and we forgot to vlog because we were hangry. I think our food is digesting. We're watching America's Got Talent. Took all the clothes that had to go home and I packed them up in the suitcase and then I have to go through my sweatshirt drawer. But yeah, we're making progress. Okay, I will say this has never felt so good. Having a clean sweatshirt drawer and it closes. We're gonna go get bins for my closet. Check out this coordination we got going on with the squad. Oh God, I thought that was an automatic. Wait, there's some bins here. Nope, you're right. Those are not what we were looking for.
Hi vlog. What's up, YouTube? It's not focusing on me. And there we go.
Saturday.
I get the thumbnail.
Are we taking a picture?
I look like a dweeb. A dweeb. Please just know, this is reality TV.
Yeah, because reality TV is always so accurate.
We have to oil it up
For a
and we
week.
have to be like, we have to spin to say if we go in or stay out, or let's go out or stay in.
It's like an Andrew video. Look at you
Look
guys
at us,
thinking
we're so
of
influenced.
little Andrew videos.
I literally feel like we're on vacation.
I think
Like this.
Why was this day so much fun?
Look, today just.
No,
No, it's because we've been gone so much.
I know.
We were staying at Kiara's little hotel the whole
That's
weekend.
exactly how I feel. I woke up and went directly onto the elevator.
Please tell me they don't look like actual brother and sister right now, and you're matching vintage style brunettes.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it has now reached the wee hours of the night. Guys, they're not fitting at all. We're trying to make it work so badly. I love this resilient attitude from Caitlin Mack. Heels are going up. I don't want to show you the full closet. It looks so good. I measured them out and everything, but I didn't measure like the angle of getting them up there.
Okay, guys, look at this drawer. This is probably what I'm most proud of, and this one's not great, but it's way better. Are we doing the reveal?
Okay, side one.
I wish the lighting was better.
Yeah, maybe I'll show it tomorrow. I don't know.
But guys, this is so much improved, even better.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. The lighting is so terrible. Guys, look at this.
Isn't that insane? It literally
It looks so much better. We put jeans up here, and then heels, and then we have like her belts and purses here. Nice sweaters so they don't stretch and they hang up, and then all of her cute little shirts.
Which Katie color coordinated because
yeah, shocker, I color coordinated them. And then back here we have the baskets that didn't fit up there, and they have like the t-shirts and stuff. Yeah, those are temporary. And then Uggs and a cute little shoe.
Thank you, Katie Mack. I hope that sort of inspired you guys, because we did that in a night. We just tackled it. If you have a friend out there that is in need of some help, get out there and just help her tackle her closet. Thank you guys for watching. If you want some more like inspirational cleaning and organizing videos / our adventures in college, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to follow Katie and I on Instagram. I love you guys. Bye.
I just want to say it is 3 days since we cleaned out Kiara's closet, and she comes home from Portland and bought 2 new white tank tops like the one she got rid of, a new black t-shirt exactly like the one she gave to me.
I got something new. I got something bold.
Okay.
That shirt looks so good on her.
Okay, I'm really proud of that purchase. That was good. I told you needed some different things. That's
Okay,
good.
this one I knew Katie was gonna yell.
Another plaid skirt.
Are you joking?
I'm done with you.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night